Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the password on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel, then tap on the settings cog. Scroll down and tap on password. Then tap Disable Password. Enter your current password and your watch's password will be disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.